Aloha fellow eaters, today we'll be having boy Bawang Cornick, hot garlic flavor. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourishes us all and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. We also have timestamps on the description below, so please check that out so you can skip through the video in parts you want to see. Alright, and if this is your first time at FoodzFolkz, mahalos for stopping by. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Here we go. That's how it looks like. Smells good. Wow. It is spicy. I'm okay with the spice. I'm pretty sure if I keep eating, then it's gonna be more hot. You can taste the good garlic. It's nice and crunchy. It's not that hard. Good firmness to it. And it's a good size right here to just put it in your mouth. Yeah, and also give this a 4.5 out of 5 stars. Thank you folks for watching, and for more Foodz Unbox, Filipino snacks right here folks, and for other foods right here. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who farm, cooked, and prepared all these foods folks.